Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, From Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Candace 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Crafted from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm here to guide you through the evolving landscape of AI's most groundbreaking developments. In our last episode, we explored AI research breakthroughs and the discoveries shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Today, we turn our focus to open source AI evolution, where cutting-edge AI advancements become widely accessible through community-driven development. The open source movement has fundamentally changed how AI technology is created, shared, and implemented, fostering a collaborative ecosystem that rivals proprietary AI in innovation and impact. Open source AI has evolved into one of the most powerful forces driving AI development. What was once a field dominated by proprietary research has transformed into a dynamic landscape where researchers, developers, and organizations collaborate to build and refine some of the most advanced AI models and frameworks in existence. One of the most pivotal moments in this transformation was Meta's release of Llama, which marked a fundamental shift in how major organizations approach sharing cutting-edge AI models. This moment, along with the success of initiatives like Bloom and Stable Diffusion, proved that open collaboration could rival and even surpass proprietary efforts in scale and capability. The adoption of open source AI has been driven by key platforms, frameworks, and organizations that have enabled community-driven innovation to flourish. Hugging Face, a central hub for AI model sharing, offering a vast ecosystem of models, datasets, and tools. GitHub, the world's largest code-sharing platform, essential for open-source AI development, enabling seamless collaboration on AI projects, including libraries like Transformers, PyTorch, and TensorFlow. PyTorch, originally developed by Meta, now the dominant framework in AI research, known for its flexibility and ease of use. TensorFlow and JAX, open-source frameworks from Google enabling large-scale AI training and deployment. ONNX, Open Neural Network Exchange, a standard for AI model interoperability supported by Microsoft and Meta. These platforms have not only democratized access to AI capabilities, but have also set new standards for how AI technology is developed and deployed. The open source community has delivered breakthrough AI advancements that rival proprietary systems in scope and performance. Community-driven projects have accelerated language modeling, image generation, and AI scalability, leading to innovations that are reshaping the field. Key open-source breakthroughs include Bloom from Big Science Initiative, a multilingual, large-scale language model developed through global collaboration. Stable Diffusion from Stability AI, a groundbreaking open-source model that revolutionized AI-generated images. Xformers from Meta AI, optimizing attention mechanisms for more efficient transformer models. Ray from UC Berkeley, a powerful open-source framework for distributed AI computation, now used by major companies like Uber and Ant Group. DeepSeek AI from a Chinese startup founded in 2023 that has made significant strides in open-source AI. The DeepSeek R1 model, released in January 2025, features 671 billion parameters and employs a mixture of experts approach, activating only relevant networks for specific prompts, which reduces power requirements. It has demonstrated competitive performance in tasks like mathematics and coding, challenging the dominance of established tech giants. However, it's important to note that while DeepSeek R1 is open source, there have been concerns regarding potential intellectual property issues, as OpenAI has claimed that DeepSeek may have used its technology without authorization. These projects showcase how collaborative research and development can drive AI capabilities forward without reliance on proprietary restrictions. As open source AI has matured, it has reshaped how organizations build and deploy AI models. Industry leaders that once relied exclusively on proprietary AI are now integrating and contributing to open source initiatives. Here are some examples of industry impact. Microsoft's adoption of ONNX and PyTorch, transitioning from closed AI development to active participation in open source AI. Uber's contributions to Ray, scaling AI workflows through open source distributed computing. Hugging Face's Model Hub, becoming the go-to repository for AI models, influencing startups and enterprises alike. DeepSeek's competitive model offerings, introducing cost-effective, high-performance AI models that challenge proprietary alternatives. However, ongoing investigations into alleged unauthorized use of OpenAI's technology may influence their role in the democratization of AI technology. The success of open source AI demonstrates that collaborative innovation can produce state-of-the-art AI solutions, benefiting both researchers and businesses worldwide. Despite its incredible progress, open source AI faces challenges that will shape its future trajectory. These include computational and resource constraints. Training large AI models requires substantial computing power, often available only to well-funded organizations. Sustainability and funding. Many open source projects rely on volunteer contributions and need long-term financial support. Ethical considerations and security risks. Open access to AI models can lead to concerns around misuse and bias. Organizations like the Apache Foundation and Linux Foundation AI and Data are working to create sustainable funding models for critical AI projects. Meanwhile, federated learning and privacy-preserving AI are emerging as potential solutions to security and ethical concerns. Looking ahead, the future of open source AI is bright, with trends pointing toward more robust model sharing platforms to streamline collaboration, AI-powered development tools that enhance coding and model training, decentralized AI networks that reduce reliance on large-scale, centralized infrastructure, promoting transparency and collaboration. These advancements will ensure that open source AI continues to evolve and drive technological progress. That wraps up this episode of AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge. Today, we explored how open source AI is shaping the future of artificial intelligence, from groundbreaking models like Llama and Bloom to industry-wide collaboration on platforms like Hugging Face, GitHub, and ONNX. In our next episode, we'll examine proprietary AI and its evolving landscape, exploring how private organizations develop, commercialize, and control access to AI advancements. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.